Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Louisiana local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers are well known to pay close attention to detail when helping you relocate. Our operational history is proof of how trustworthy and reliable we are. When it comes to finding a reliable and affordable moving company, 3 Movers is the top-rated choice. We offer professional moving services at an affordable price, making us the perfect choice for those looking for a stress-free way to move. We have a wide range of moving services that we offer, from packing supplies, packing services, unpacking services, partial packing options and storage services, to junk removal services and corporate relocation manager. We also have moving teams of experienced and professional movers and customer service representatives who are always available to help with any questions or concerns you may have. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable moving company, look no further than 3 Movers Moving Team. We're the perfect choice for your upcoming move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Louisiana moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packaging and carrying. Having a budget is very important when planning to move either locally or long distance. Moving companies like 3 Movers have affordable moving rates. Depending on the move, you will either be charged hourly by your professional mover, based on distance, and even on the items you have. That is why you need to have an in-house survey. The survey ensures that all items will be considered before the final quote is made. When getting a quote, insist on a written one as opposed to a verbal one. That way, in case there is a dispute in the future regarding the rates, you will have proof in writing. It would help if you also asked to be told the difference between the different moving rates and when they apply. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.